Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you, does Snapchat turn off when phone dies? Now this is a question that I get a lot, and here is actually what it happens, right? Disappearing from Snap Map, phone dies, or you are inactive. Now here's whether your bit emoji disappear from Snapchat Snap Map if your phone dies or your Snapchat is inactive. So there are three different things. If your battery dies, your bit emoji won't disappear from your Snap Map, just so you know. So, does Snapchat turn off when your phone dies? Not at all. However, if you're offline for a long time, right? For example, if your phone is turned off for a long time, then your bit emoji will disappear. And after about 7 hours, Snapchat assumes you don't want to broadcast your location publicly, and your bit emoji will disappear. Now, if you want to learn all about bit emojis disappearing on Snapchat Snap Map, then you're in the right place. So here you have a lot of different articles as well. I will link this article down below if you want to learn more, but this is basically the answer on the question, does Snapchat turn off when phone dies? The question is yes and no, right? So if your battery dies, your Bitmoji won't disappear, but if your battery dies and you're a long time offline, then you will disappear. So that's pretty much the answer. I hope you find this at least somewhat helpful. If you did, leave a like down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.